If you need to measure an angle in AutoCAD quickly and accurately, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to do it step by step, so whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, you can follow along with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and shortcuts. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Make sure the file is fully open and you can clearly see the lines or objects you want to measure between. This is important because the angle measurement tool works directly on the geometry inside your drawing. Now go to the command line and type MEASUREGEOM, then press enter. This command opens up a set of measurement options inside AutoCAD. It's one of the most useful tools when you want to check distances, areas, radius, and of course, angles. After that, choose angle from the available options. Depending on your AutoCAD version, you may see the options listed in the command line or as a menu prompt. Select the angle measurement tool so AutoCAD knows you want to measure the angle between two lines or edges. Next, click the first line you want to measure from. Make sure you select the correct line carefully because AutoCAD will use that line as the first reference for the angle calculation. Then click the second line. Once the second line is selected, AutoCAD will instantly calculate the angle between the two lines and display the result for you. You'll usually see the angle shown right near the selected lines inside the drawing area, so you can visually confirm the measurement without guessing. At the same time, AutoCAD also shows the angle in the command line, which gives you a precise numerical readout. This makes it very easy to verify geometry, check layouts, and make sure your design matches the exact angle you need. If you're working on technical drawings, construction plans, or mechanical parts, this is a very practical tool to know. And that's it. You've just measured an angle in AutoCAD using a fast and reliable built-in command. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.